Hi my friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this perfect golden crunchy delicious Nigerian chin chin. Super easy to make and always turns out amazing. And so without wasting your time, grab all your ingredients and let's get started. Start by getting your baking bowl. Measure 3 cups of flour. I'm using all-purpose flour, and make sure to have sifted before using it. Then go in with your powdered milk, your salt and baking powder. Then go ahead and mix it till it combines well. All the ingredients used and the measurements are in the description, so feel free to check it out. Go in with your sugar and then mix this together. Next, you want to add in your butter. You can use margarine if you have. Then use your hand to mix this together until it combines well or until you have breadcrumbs texture. Next, you want to set it aside. Get a smaller bowl like this and then measure 1/4 cup of powdered milk. Add in your water. I'm using 2 sets of this 1/4 cup. Go ahead and mix it together till it is properly combined. Next, set it aside and bring back your dry mixture. You want to add in your liquid mixture as shown in the video. Next, go ahead and mix this together till it forms a dough gently and nicely. Added one more set of 1/4 cup of water. The reason why I'm doing this is to control the level of my water because I do not want my chin chin to be too hard and not too soft either. At this point, I'm going to use my hand to continue mixing, so make sure to scrape out all the dough from the spatula and then continue mixing. Keep watching closely. If you are watching my video for the first time, you are welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. And if you're a returning subscriber, God bless you. Don't also forget to like, comment and share. Even if it's just hi, I would really appreciate it. At this point, my dough is ready, but if you want it more smooth, go ahead and knead it longer. But I want mine to be just soft and okay. So go ahead and cover it and leave it to rest for 2 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, uncover it. Just look at this. It is well solidified. Then mix it for a few seconds inside the bowl and then you're going to take it out. Next, you want to sprinkle a little flour on your working board and then you want to place back the dough. Then fold it nicely and gently as shown in the video and then spread it with your palm as shown in the video. Get your rolling pin and then roll it out nicely and gently. Make sure there's enough flour to reduce stickiness, okay? Make sure it's not too flat and not too thick either. Then continue doing this as shown in the video and I'll meet you at the end of it. Keep watching closely. Next, I'm going to use this pizza cutter, or you can use knife if you do not have this. Then cut it into your desired shapes and sizes as shown in the video. Keep watching closely. are done, separate it from the working board as shown in the video. If they are still sticking to each other, use your hand to separate them. Next, you want to get your frying pan or deep fryer, add in enough oil inside, and you are going to leave it to heat up for a few minutes on a medium heat. When your oil is hot enough, go ahead and add in your chin chin inside. When frying, make sure your heat is not too high and not too low either. When it's too high, it will end up frying so quickly and it won't get done inside. And when it's too low, it will end up sucking in oil and that won't be nice at all, okay? And when it is golden brown, go ahead and take it out. One more tip: before frying the next batch of chin chin, make sure to leave your oil to heat up for another 60 seconds before adding the chin chin inside. Then fry it again till it is golden brown, and then when it's golden brown or light golden brown, go ahead and take it out. Another tip: before packing your current chin chin on fire, make sure to pour the previous one on a tray or a container to prevent it from absorbing oil from the current chin chin, okay? Hope you understand. Yeah. And guys, your chin chin is ready. It is super easy to make, isn't it? Can you hear the crunchiness of this chin chin? This came out really good and beautiful. The taste was so amazing, my friends, and it is that easy to make. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be the first to be notified whenever I post new amazing recipes. And don't forget to like, comment and share to your friends and families. See you in my next one. Bye.